All right, YouTube, a little bit of a different video today. I'm going to start at the end and then go back and show you the making or putting it together. So here we have the Yerf dog cart, and a few videos ago I showed you that I had bought some parts for it, some engine parts, bought seat belts, seat adjusters, things like that for my kids. Had them over in the workbench, and I actually got the seat belts and seat adjuster in, and I'm going to show you kind of the process. I'm not going to go step by step. I'm going to go over the overall process, and what I'll do now is I'm going to talk about the go-kart and how I kind of had to set it up, and then you'll see what I did. Also in that the previous videos I talked about the engine parts, and I mentioned in there that my plan was to take this to the farm, ride it around some, and make sure this motor is gonna work and last, because if you watch the videos you'll remember I bought this go-kart as a go-kart with a blown up motor, and the guy that I bought it from pulled it while we were sitting there because he said it was locked up. He messed with the rope and the thing almost started while I was standing there. I got it home, I got it to stumble and run a little bit in the driveway, and then after cleaning the carburetor, messing with it some, I got it to run. So I do have new parts for it yet already for the Predator, but I don't know if we're gonna use this motor or use that new motor. Not exactly sure. But let's talk about this video and what I've done. So if you notice, the double seat is in it and the seat belts are there. That is not how I bought it. I bought it with an individual bucket seat. I thought we might keep that, but my kids have enjoyed riding together, and riding together on this this go-kart here, the Black Cat, which I'm actually thinking about getting rid of that one, but we wanted to put the double seat back in this one. So let's look at it and see exactly what I did, and then we'll move on with the video. So here, if you notice, and I'm not sure exactly what you can see, down here you can see there's a rail I had to put in. The rail was not there, and there's actually adjusters underneath here. There's a handle on the other side, and I'll go over and show you. This adjuster here, you pull this adjuster over that way towards the middle, and the whole seat will slide forward and slide back. My kids, they can't ride yet with it all the way back, so they need to be able to move it forward. This seat metal frame that's in here did not have anything to attach the seat adjusters to. The seat adjusters were too short to reach the actual frame. So the seat frame is here. I'll come over this way. Seat frame is here on the outside base of this pad, but the adjusters were short. So I had to use this rail, and then I had to attach the adjusters to it, and then the adjusters to the actual seat rail, which I'll show you in a second. The seat frame, I welded two thin pieces of metal that the seat adjuster could attach to. So that's what you're going to see next. This cover also was torn, so I got it taped so it actually stays and is then held in place, because it had tears all the way around it. It's dry rotted, this vinyl, I guess it's vinyl, it's dry rotted. For the seat belts, I got the two pieces coming through here, which are attached way down there, and then I got the other piece coming from up here and down there on that frame for the seat belts. The same thing for the passenger side. The seat adjusters came from GoPowerSports.com, and so did the seat belts. I'll put some links in the description in case you're curious about those as well. I can't really remember the price. I'm thinking it was maybe about, I want to say they were about 30 bucks for each. 30 bucks for the seat adjusters, 30 bucks for the seat belts. It might be a little less, maybe like $24.99 and somewhere around there, but about 30 bucks or maybe a little bit less for both. So anyway, alright, stay tuned and watch and see what happens. after dinner.
I thought we already had dinner.
I told you what I was going to do.
Oh, really?
We had a late lunch. I'm going to come in and I'm going to make like eggs and toast, and then you can have ice cream. What?
What do you say? Eggs?
Eggs and toast.
Okay.